easy is the operation of a laser? Our head of Trotec Academy and Application Center, Peter Brandner, is working with our machines on a daily basis, and he will answer this question. Hello Peter, thanks for being here today. We would like to address the question, how easy should the use of a laser system be? So can you please answer this question for us?
It's a pleasure for me to answer the question. As it is a digital process, it should be as easy as printing, simply intuitive. So you start off with the graphics that you either design in a standard graphics program or you get from your customer. You decide on which process you want to have and you select the material ideally out of a pre-selected material database. And finally you hit the print button. That's it.
That sounds really easy and quick. Do you want to have a closer look also, or can you give us a closer look on the laser system itself too? Because then I think it's easier to get an understanding of how this really works. I think that makes it easier.
Yes, it makes it easier. We can summarize it up front. Yeah? It should be simply intuitive. That's the first and foremost important thing. Secondly, it should be very easy and straightforward to set up the system. You shouldn't invest and spend a lot of time to get it up and running. You should be in the position to immediately process materials that you want to process. Actually, obviously, safety is very important, laser safety, but also exhaust technology to have proper operation. And finally, you want to minimize the cleaning efforts with the system because this speeds up the production process and finally means more money for you.
Oh, that sounds great. So I think we should get a closer look at the laser machine itself. Then you can show us what needs to be in a laser system that makes it easier for the customer.
So let's have a closer look at the machine. As I said, simply intuitive. It starts off with a good insight into the machine, so through the lid, but also with proper LED lighting. Secondly, an open and barrier-free access to the machine to ease the operation with materials or the rotary device. If you need to change the table for specific applications, very fast and easy change of the table. A multi-purpose table concept eases your life and makes you faster and more efficient. Once the laser is in operation, you want to see about the progress. So a dynamic status bar can help you to indicate how long does it still take me to finalize the job and to prepare already the next one, which is in the queue and waiting. Focusing is key. And the sonar autofocus technology that Trotec is using eases your daily operation. You get perfect results with just the hit of a button. And as I said, it's a digital process, graphics, deciding which process, deciding which material. So the pre-defined material database, this is also key to your success. It speeds you up and it helps you, even with new materials, to get the best results within seconds. And finally, if you want to also use print and cut applications, a camera system can also help you to speed up this process. The camera recognition will get you best results within seconds by using a job control vision system and also automatic compensation of the cut path.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Peter, for answering this question, and have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this session on the ease of use of a laser system. If you are interested in seeing our Trotec lasers in action, please arrange a demo. We are very much looking forward to showing you all the advantages of our laser systems.